Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Sheetal Nanavati. Today I have come with a new video that is part 2 of my personal review on Super Bottoms Tri-Fill Langoots. So in my previous video, that is part 1, I have mentioned all the features of the langoots and I have unboxed the product. I have shown all the prints along with the prices. So in my today's video, I'm going to clear all the doubts every parent has before buying these Tri-Fill Langoots. So without taking much of your time, let's get started. The first question is, what exactly is this dry fill? So this concept is completely new in the market. So to explain you in a very short time, I will give you a quick demo. Now this is the langoot that I have used for my baby. So I'll take a 10 ml of water and pour this water on the inner surface of this langoot. So this is how I have poured 10 ml of water on this langoot, and to show you, I'll just tap my fingers on this inner surface. So you can see this water has completely soaked and there is no wetness on my fingers. So this is the concept of Super Bottoms Dry Fill Langoot, that this keeps the inner surface completely dry. Baby doesn't feel any wetness once it pees. The outer layer gets wet and you will get to know that it's time to change this langoot. So this is the concept of Super Bottoms Tri-Fill Langoots. Now, second question is, how many peas does it absorb? So it is clearly mentioned on the website that it absorbs only 1 pea, and that's completely true. Yes, it absorbs only 1 pea and maximum of 2 peas if your baby is not heavy weighter. The most important question is, how many langoots do you need in a day? So I have 12 langoots for my baby, but I need at least 8 to 10 langoots in a day. But it completely depends on how many times your baby pees, because I cannot give you the exact count. You just have to keep a watch on it, that how many times your baby peas. But make sure that more the number of langoots you use, less the number of diapers you will require. And one more thing, that do not expect that the langoot will work like a diaper. It's just an alternative for typical cotton nappy. How to wash these langoots? So you can either machine wash it or hand wash it. If machine washed and then spin, then it will take only 2 to 3 hours under the sunlight, and if hand washed and then kept it under sunlight, it will take at least 3 to 4 hours. If you keep these langoots under the shade, then it will take more than 8 hours, 8 to 10 hours, or more than that. It completely depends on the climate. Sometimes it may take a day to get dry. So this is the disadvantage of these langoots, that it takes so much of time to get dry. How to decide which is the right size for your baby? The langoots comes with 3 different sizes, that is size 0, size 1 and size 2. Size 0 is for babies till 5 kgs, size 1 is for babies between 3 and 7 kgs, and size 2 is between 5 and 10 kgs. Newborn baby's weight is generally 2.5 kgs to 3.5 kgs. This is the common weight. So I will suggest that you should go with size 0 if your baby is 1 month old or 2 months old. And if your baby enters a third month, then you can go with size 1. I will always recommend that you should buy one size up, because baby grows very fast and the langoots become very smaller and tighter to the babies. So it's okay, it's better you should go with one size up. How to buy these products economically, or how you can save money while buying these products. So in my previous video, I have shown you 4 different prints, out of which one print, that is the printed variant, cost around 460 rupees, and the rest other prints cost 529 rupees. One more print, that is Sparkle and Shine, is launched on Super Bottoms website, which is also of 460 rupees. So if you're okay with repetition of the prints, then I will suggest go with the printed and Sparkle and Shine variant, which is 460 rupees. Once your baby reaches size 2, then I will suggest you should go for combo pack. In combo pack, you will get 6 langoots in one packet and 12 langoots in another packet. Here you will save good amount of money. Amazon website gives good offers than Super Bottoms website. This is my personal experience, but I will suggest compare both the websites before buying any product, because sometimes Super Bottoms website also runs such good campaigns of such good offer campaigns. So this is how you will buy these products economically and save good amount of money. In this video, I have tried to answer all the questions or doubts, tried to clear all the doubts. But in case if I have missed on something, please do write me in a comment and I'll definitely answer it. So thank you so much for your time. And if you find this video helpful, please click on the like button and please do subscribe to my channel, because it will be a motivation for me to create such more videos. And part 1 videos link I have mentioned in the description, and I have also mentioned all the product links for your reference, quick reference. So thank you so much and happy parenting.